Over the last 3 years, I've tested hundreds of AI tools, and here's what I've learned. You only need to be using a handful of them.
If you're still jumping between 10 different AI tools, you're wasting time and money.
All right, let's start right off with the day-to-day AI model that I think is the best, and that's Claude. And here's why. Claude shines in content creation, nuanced conversation, ethical reasoning, coding. Claude Code's amazing, deep analysis that it does. And then also paid plans also integrate really, really well.
This guy tested hundreds of AI tools over 3 years, and his #1 pick for daily use is Claude. It writes content, codes, connects to Slack, Gmail, Google Drive, all from one desktop app. You don't need to be technical, you just open it up and tell it what to do, like a virtual employee who never sleeps. Imagine offering this setup to small business owners for $500 to $1,000 a pop. That's your side hustle right there.
With Google apps like Gmail, Calendar, Google Drive, etc. And the Claude desktop app, which we're looking at right here, for me is really where Claude shines. The ability for non-technical people to, for example, easily connect.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
To files on your computer and combine that with Claude projects, it's a game changer. You can also do things like send and reply to Slack messages right from within the chat. So check this out. Send a Slack message to Rick Mulready saying hello, and look how easy it is.
But having a brain is useless if you can't do research. And the tool he picked for that is not what you'd expect.
AI. The next common use case is research, both quick and deep research. And for both of these things, I really like Notebook LM. A lot of people like Perplexity. I'm not a huge Perplexity fan. I'm just never impressed with the types of answers and output that it gives you. And certainly on deep research, I don't think it goes deep enough at all.
After testing everything, his go-to research tool is Google's Notebook LM. It does both fast research and deep research with real sources, not just AI-generated fluff. One click and it pulls 10 sources for a quick search. Hit deep research and it comes back with 57 citations in under 5 minutes. You could offer this as a research service to coaches, consultants, and agencies for $300 to $500 per report.
Notebook LM is my go-to for both quick and deep research. So if we go inside here and I go into one of my recent notebooks here, you can see over in the left-hand column here, I can choose web and I can choose fast research or deep research. How easy is it to rewire your brain as you get older so that you can improve your focus, learning, and memory? So we'll do a quick research on that, and it's researching websites. It's probably gonna give us about
But research means nothing if you can't turn it into content. And the tool he uses for that makes everything else sound robotic.
overviews now from all this deep research. All right, now let's talk about content creation. By far, this is the most often asked question. What tool do I recommend for creating content? And my go-to for creating any kind of content, emails, scripts, social posts, show notes pages for a podcast, blog posts, sales copy, you name it.
For content creation, emails, scripts, social posts, blog posts, sales copy, he says Claude is hands down the best. It understands tone and context better than any other AI model. The content actually sounds human. You can set up different projects, upload your writing style, past examples, and it matches your voice perfectly. Businesses will pay you $1,000 to $2,500 a month to run their content through a system like this.
Is Claude. Claude just understands tone and context so much better than the other AI tools and model. The content that you create with it just sounds more human. I can set up different kinds of projects, for example, for different types of writing, along with personalized knowledge files.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
That you can give to Claude. So I click on projects here, and let's just say that I'm going to go into my content repurposing project. I can give it specific instructions, much like you would a GPT, for example. Also with the file section here, I can give it.
But great content still needs great visuals. And the way he builds presentations in under 60 seconds is insane.
Down the best tool for content. For the next tool, another really common thing that we as entrepreneurs need to do a lot of is creating presentations. I think using the Canvas feature in Google Gemini is the easiest and best way to create presentations these days. So here I am in Gemini, and I've just put in a very simple prompt of what I want it to do. So in Canvas, create a professional 8-slide pitch deck for a startup called EcoLoop.
He uses Google Gemini's Canvas feature to create full presentations from a simple prompt. He typed one paragraph, hit submit, and got a professional 8-slide pitch deck with research already baked into the slides. Need to swap an image or change bullet points? Just tell it in plain English and it updates instantly. Then export straight to Google Slides. You could charge small businesses and startups $300 to $750 per deck.
Just making this up. The company uses AI-powered sensors to automate office recycling, and then I'm telling it exactly what I want it to include in the presentation. Now what I'm going to do is go down to Tools down here, and I'm going to check on Canvas right here, and then I'll click Submit, and watch the kind of presentation this puts together. All right, and this took literally a minute, not even a minute. So as we click through here, we can take a look. And remember the prompt, the amount of information I asked.
But the real money isn't in doing tasks yourself. It's in building AI employees that do the work for you.
Let's talk about building AI workflows and creating AI agents and employees. I really like Lindy AI for this. For me, Lindy's as powerful as N8N without you needing to be technically advanced to build your AI agents and workflows. It's really easy to create something as simple as an email inbox assistant like you're looking at right here, to something more advanced like an automated lead generator workflow that you're looking at right here.
He uses Lindy AI to create AI agents and workflows that run on Autopilot. It's as powerful as N8N but built for non-technical people. Email assistants, lead generators, custom apps. Just describe what you want and it builds it. They've got pre-made templates, so you don't even have to start from scratch. Offer this as a done-for-you automation service and you're charging $1,500 to $3,500 per client easy.
They've got a ton of pre-made templates that you can customize. So I can click on Explore Templates and you can just start scrolling, or you can be sorting by role or use case. And then also their AI agent builder assistant is on point. You just describe what you want and it just builds it. You can also build apps too. So again, you can just describe what kind of apps that you want. And here's some examples right here, or templates that you can choose from, and it'll build it for you. And then also another thing I look for, the team behind Lindy is top notch and really forward.
Now you've got the full BRAIN system, 5 AI tools, 0 excuses. The only question is, are you going to keep scrolling or start building? Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.